Now, the Trump administration's creation of a Bitcoin strategic reserve, as well as a digital asset stockpile, seems to be inspiring other countries. Pakistan is taking steps to position cryptocurrency as a key asset in its push for a digital financial revolution. It's launched a national crypto council to regulate and integrate blockchain technology and digital assets. Our next guest has been tasked with advising the finance minister on this process. Let's bring in Bilal Bin Saqib, CEO of the Pakistan Crypto Council. Bilal, good to have you with us. Why and why now?
Well, why not? Because if now, then never. As you were rightly mentioning, Trump's return is the biggest bullish catalyst for crypto in history. Today, he makes history as the first sitting U.S. president to speak at a crypto conference in New York. And I think, Trump is essentially flipping the script. Trump signed the executive order instructing regulatory bodies to accommodate digital assets, forming a White House crypto advisory team, creating a U.S. strategic Bitcoin reserve. We have to understand what that means. That means that the largest economy in the world is creating a valuable national asset, similar to how it stockpiles gold or oil for economic security and strength. So this is why I think the US sets the tone for the world. Trump is making crypto a national priority, and every country, including Pakistan, will have to follow suit or will be at the risk of being left behind.
Is it about making cryptocurrency legal, for instance?
So, you see, our plan as the Pakistan Crypto Council is very clear. Pakistan is done sitting on the sidelines. We want to have regulatory clarity. We need to have a legal framework that is pro-business. We need institution adoption. We want banks, we want other enterprises to integrate with blockchain and not fight it. We want Pakistan as the leader in blockchain-powered finance. And we want to attract international investment because Pakistan is a low-cost, high-growth market with 60% of the population under 30. We have a Web3 native workforce ready to build.
But the thing is, give us the details. Would you make, for instance, crypto legal this year? What are the plans for, retailers, for instance, to be trading in crypto?
See, Pakistan isn't just discovering crypto today. We've been one of the world's top adopters. In 2023, we ranked third in the global crypto adoption. 15 to 20 million Pakistanis that hold crypto today. The country possesses billions of dollars in crypto transactions. So, of course, we want to make this legal. We want to have, as I mentioned earlier, clear regulatory framework so we can bring in investments and we can let the ecosystem flourish in Pakistan.
You talked about wanting international investors to come in. What exactly are you planning to allow them to do? Has it got to do with, crypto mining or what's available? Where are the opportunities?
You see, foreign investors want stability, they want scalability, and they need a clear regulatory framework. We're working to provide regulatory sandboxes, which will essentially create fast-track systems for crypto startups to operate in a controlled, compliant environment, incentivize Web3 firms. Pakistan offers one of the lowest operational costs, and setting up crypto businesses here are much cheaper than, for instance, Dubai or Singapore. So essentially, it's a very big market for any crypto company to come in and try.
Who are you in conversations with? What's been the reaction so far?
The reaction has been amazing. We plan on speaking to the UAE to explore learnings from them in terms of their regulation. We are very closely also working with the Nigerian SEC to see, again, what learnings we can adopt from there. We are looking at the models in Turkey. We are looking at Singapore. We are looking at Hong Kong. So we plan to do a lot of MOUs in terms of capacity building, knowledge sharing with all of these countries who are perhaps ahead at the moment.
Are there plans to tax crypto? Because if you're looking at other countries, Nigeria suddenly is doing just that.
See, the government understands that overtaxation kills innovation before it starts. So we've seen this mistake before. India putting a 30% tax on their crypto trades drastically reduced the exchange volume. Our approach will be different. We are advocating for a balanced pro-growth tax structure, one that incentivizes businesses to register, stay compliant, and push more foreign investment into the country and not capital flight.
Bilal, given the optimism and the plans, how big do you think the crypto market in Pakistan would be? Is there a target in the next 2 to 3 years? How big do you think it might grow.
With the changing narrative at the top, I think the government finally sees the numbers. 32 billion in remittance annually, $100 billion digital economy potential, and a massive youth-driven workforce which are hungry for Web3 opportunities. Our fintech sector is growing fast, and crypto could supercharge it. So the challenge in Pakistan is not the demand for crypto. The challenge is building the right legal and regulatory framework to unlock its complete economic potential.
Before we let you go, as someone who's watching the crypto space, where do you see Bitcoin going?
Only one way, and that is north. When you have the president's executive director on digital assets saying that we've talked about ways of acquiring more Bitcoin in the budget, again, when he's asked that, how much do you want? He said that that's like asking a country, how much gold do you want? As much as we can get. So with limited supply, the price, I believe, long term is only going to go north.